with the second part of non-progressive verbs. Here we are going to study the verbs that can have a meaning indicating action. In that case, they can be used with verb ing. But if they are used with original meaning, they are stative verbs, verbs indicating state, and cannot be used with verb ing, and it means that they cannot be used with continuous tenses. Now let's start with B. The first one, the first example indicates state. He is selfish. In this example, it is his general characteristic. So it indicates states. The second one, the second example, let's have a look at it. He is being selfish. Here, focus on the act of being selfish. Acting in a selfish way. So when we say acting, this is an action. So in this case, be can be used with ing. How about look? If you use look meaning seem, then you cannot use it with verb ing. You look tired. Here, look used as seem. In the second example, the students are looking at the blackboard. Here, we clearly see the act of looking. So there's an action and we can use it with verb ing. Appear. Again, similar to look. If you use appear meaning seem, you cannot use it with verb ing because it indicates state. Your father appears to be angry with you is our example. How about the one meaning expressing action? Finally, the players of the visitor team are appearing on the ground. The act of appearing on the ground here is emphasized. So there is an action and the word is used with verb ing. How about smell? The fish smells awful. It must be spoiled. This example talks about the existing state. Existing state. So smell referring to existing, if it refers to the existing smell, existing case, we cannot use it with verb ing. How about action? I'm smelling something burning. This is the act of smelling, taking the smell. So there is action and it can be used with verb ing. How about taste? If you're talking about an existing taste, as we have just said about smell, then taste cannot be used with verb ing. This cake tastes wonderful is our example in this sense. How about action? The cook is tasting the soup to make sure that it's not too spicy. The act of tasting, the act of eating that dish to have a look at its taste. So there is action. Now, how about weight? If you're talking about the existing weight, then you cannot use it with verb ing. This suitcase weighs a ton. How about action? This is the act of weighing the item. So there is an action. Look at the example. The butcher is weighing the meat. See? Now, let's have a look. Depend. If it's in the meaning, the state of being based on, it indicates state. It depends on your attitude. In the action part, depend means rely on. If depend is used meaning rely on, it can take ing. The students are depending on their teacher. How about feel? If you use feel meaning believe, think, when you're stating your idea, it cannot be used with verb ing. I feel that we're going to have some trouble, is our example. How about action? For action, it can both be used as I'm feeling terrible or I feel terrible. It's a matter of choice. How are you feeling? How do you feel? It's both true in English. This is the act of feeling. And how about have? Have, meaning own, cannot be used with verb ing. He has a big house. Have, there are some expressions used with have in English. They are very popular, such as have a shower, have trouble, have reward, have fun, have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner. These all indicate action. So in these expressions, have can be used with verb ing. They're having lunch, he is having a shower, our examples. And the other one, think. I think he is wrong. When you express your opinion using think cannot be used with verb ing. They are thinking about moving to another town. The act of thinking on something. This is action, so in this case, think can be used with verb ing. And the last one, see. If you're talking about the senses, see someone, then it's a state. Do you see the man over there? Sense perception. It cannot be used with verb ing in this sense. And how about action? Here, see means meet. The lawyer is seeing his clients this afternoon. A complete change of meaning here. See means, when see means meet, then it can be used with verb ing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.